In the previous video, we added CSV export. Now let's make our table easier to explore. We're going to add search and filtering capabilities with just a couple of lines of code. Let's head back to Visual Studio Code. Inside the data table, add the following line. The filter_action parameter adds built-in filtering controls to the table. This allows users to search and filter data directly from the interface without writing any additional code. Press Ctrl S to save the file, then return to the browser. You'll now notice a filter row displayed below the column headers. To test it, type a student name such as Alice in the student column filter. The table immediately updates and displays only the matching records. You can also filter numeric columns. For example, in the math column, type greater than 90. And the table will display only students whose math score is greater than 90. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code and add another useful feature. Inside the data table, add sort_action equals native. The sort_action parameter enables built-in column sorting. Users can sort the data by simply clicking on a column header. Press Ctrl S and return to the browser. To test it, click the math column header. The values will be sorted in ascending order. Click the header again to sort them in descending order. With just 2 lines of code, we've added powerful search, filtering, and sorting capabilities to our dashboard.